How's it going, everybody? So I know I've changed your format more, but I just want to update everyone. Probably from here on out on winter, might be 1 or 2 videos per week, probably just one, because there's a lot of stuff going on. I need to remodel some parts of the house, refurbish some places of the house, along with you know, gathering up all the stuff outside for the parts and everything, so that way I can bring up more content depending on how bad the snow is this winter, because they're saying it's going to be a very bad winter. I need to tear the bodies off some frames. I'm also thinking about tearing some front clips off to get some cars ready next year, so I can work on those frames. Because you know, we've been gathering, you know, cars all this time, and you know, talking and chatting, and you know, now finally starting to you know, do some work. But I was gonna work on one particular vehicle, but it's gonna rain for the next 2 to 3 days supposedly. Just have to play it by ear, and since we have no garage or giant shop yet, well, I really don't want to get sick. If it was snowing, yeah, I wouldn't mind going out in the snow and work, but since it's raining, and it's raining right now, yeah, no. So I just want to let you all know, I'll give you a heads up, this winter will just be, you know, there will be content this winter, but just probably 1 or 2 videos per week, depending on what it is, because like I said, there's a lot of stuff that's going on, and I'm going to be very, very busy with a lot of things to keep the camera straight. So, well, time to get over to the salvage yard and grab some stuff and look at some other cars for parts. Wind sound warning. Back window. Oh. Parted out. Just have the chrome, whatever inside. A lot more stuff on it. I almost bought this, but it's got a factory AC because it's an XLT. Yeah, Ranger XLT. I need this. Okay, get the chrome off. Most of this has already been loose. Yeah. It's pretty much held on by these clips on each side. It's getting so big on me, it's almost like a circus tent. Too big. Did find Ford's original truck booklet. I want to know about it. Okay. Now I just got the front. Okay, which that might be fun to get to. Let's put this up in there. Because I really don't have a wrench. Grab it. Sure, I could take off the door, but I'm not buying the door. like this. I have extensions back home that are about that long. Every time when I need something on this, I remember it. Oh, come on here. There's that C-130 again, circling the airport. Now, I guess I better get back to this. Oh, I'm happy that the GoPro's waterproof, but it's starting to rain too darn much. So I gotta come back hopefully this weekend and take the rest of the Ranger XLT off. Rest of the emblems is I don't know what's gonna happen to this old thing. But I've been wanting to look in this for a while. I think I did once. I have absolutely no idea on what it is. Of course, obviously Ford, but huh, interesting. I have no idea what this is. It's a Galaxy 500. Okay, it says right over there in the dash. Huh. It's a little newer. I'm not sure in what year though. I don't see so it's a, I don't know, 70, 71. I'm just not too sure. Not getting it. Can't afford it. It's not bad looking old Ford. 65 Mercury. Y'all seen my 64. This is a 65. They greatly changed. Yeah. Always wondered what this was, but now I know. Let's see here. Gotta try to think here, because I need to go get a part over there and then check out some other things. I had to put it back last time. But I need to grab my deal for the Cyclone GT. Yeah. No way in heck am I forgetting it this time. Because I was going to grab it, and put it into the truck last time, but then I remember we had to haul a lot of stuff inside the cab. Before I forget, I guess these are becoming popular again. And yeah, not sure what year this is. Been open for a very, very long time. Automatic. Okay. 80s. I'm not much of a fan, but I know some people that follow us like these sort of cars. Can that hood be opened? Why the hell do I smell cigarettes? Oh, that's what it is. Little straight six. Yeah. Well, there you go, Mustang fans. I know he's got another one, but it's like a little newer. good for parts. I don't see much in it anyways. And yeah. Alrighty. Time to go to another spot. I'm absolutely happy that this GoPro is waterproof. 57 here. Oh, it's busted, isn't it? Yeah. 58, 57, maybe 56, 57. Yeah. Two-door sedan. There's another two-door sedan. He had a entire front clip right here, front end, suspension all for the 66 Bonneville, but someone stole it. Okay. Of course, that's not an Edsel. But I do apologize on that. Got this car, but there's just too much stuff wrong with it. Too much wrong with it. You know what? I have these here because next year, if things go right, depending how things are, I want to get this one wrench wagon back. Because I was over here before, and again, I do apologize. This is a ranch wagon with an Edsel front. But yeah, I'm thinking about getting this ranch wagon next year. We'll have to see. If not, that's fine. Both ends are busted on each side. Wow, look at the door on this. That's huge. Yeah, cause she's. Uh-oh. That's rough. Notice the window's out. I can't quite see. I'll have to look in the video. Oh, no, it's a manual. It's all 3-speed. Still have it in it? Oh, no. It's gone. About losing weight. You lose your resistance to a lot of elements. Oh, yeah, this is where the 68 Galaxy used to sit. Yeah. Oh, that's to a 70. I was about to freak out. I thought that might be to my Galaxy, but no, that's a 70. Stuff in here. Who knows what's all buried in there. Okay. Yeah, maybe next year I'll get that ranch wagon. Who knows? I'd rather get a Yeoman or Yeoman, whatever you say it. Very lean. This was a standard. It, as you can see, it has the roundabout like that. Mine, with the chrome on the side, has the fancier one. This is a base model. It's almost like a custom 300. This is. Oh, it's starting to rain, isn't it? Oh, I got one more car to look at. Okay. Well, this has got a front end and rear end on it. I need stuff off of this for my 70 Cougar to move it around, and some other odds and ends for my 73 Grande. Yeah, It's mine now. This also had a vinyl top. It's got chrome pieces too. It's got a lock gas cap. I might get that too, just for a bumper. See what's going on in front, because mine's going to be customized a little. It's going to look very, very muscular. Not much. Not much. I'll get some of that stuff later. So, this part of the video, I'm going to throw in extra, because I was going to make a deal on the 2 Rancheros there are people wanting us to save. Well, they're both sold. They're both saved. The 72, 73 Ranchero 500 and that 79 Ranchero GT. So they're gonna go to a good home, good owner. So that's pretty much okay. So everyone, you can all relax now. The Mustang bit, he'll be there. So that you all saw. But other than that, that's pretty much how everything is right now. So stuff in a nutshell. So I'm gonna get going, get some stuff. And hopefully this rain passes soon, because tomorrow I got to do a few things, cut some wood, figure some stuff and everything, and see about maybe fixing that floor jack so that way I can have it to start popping off bodies off of the frame, so that way we can start getting stuff there. Will it start videos? Some of that's going to be on hold for a while, because there's reports of rain now between here and 5 or 6 days time. Possible snow, because I don't want to open up an engine out in this, out in the elements, just in case. So I'll just continue to tear stuff apart and get some things configured around. So pretty much everything in a nutshell. So again, the 72, 73 Ranchero 500 and the 79 Ranchero GT are both saved. So all of you don't have to stress about that anymore. So for now, I'm gonna get onto the road, the highway, and I shall talk about it all later. So you all have a good now. Take care and stay safe. See you later.